Top 7 Natural Remedies for Dandruff. You might have great hair and great looks, but you wouldn't stand a chance with your close friends if you carry dandruff on your hair. It is hard to hide the fact that you have dandruff, and it can be quite embarrassing. Sometimes you wouldn't even realize the fact that others are observing your hair and the traces of dandruff that makes you scratch your scalp every now and then. One of the easiest ways to get rid of dandruff is to use a good quality shampoo that has the power to cleanse off dandruff and make the skin on your scalp healthy and intact. If you do not prefer shampoos, there are certain natural remedies that can work wonders. Mentioned below are some of the best home remedies that can help you in removing dandruff naturally. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda has certain cleansing properties that help in cleaning up all the dandruff from your scalp. Mix your shampoo with a teaspoon of baking soda and make a good mixture of it. Apply this on your scalp and then rinse your hair nicely. You would be amazed to see all the traces of dandruff getting easily removed. 2. Neem. Neem is an amazing natural remedy that can help you in fighting dandruff as well as hair fall. Neem acts as an antibiotic, antibacterial, antiseptic and antifungal agent. Its regular use can assist in treating several problems like dandruff, hair fall, itching, lice and all sorts of scalp allergies. Here is how you should make use of neem. Boil neem leaves in water for 30 minutes and then make a paste of it. Apply this paste on your scalp and let it remain for 30 minutes. Rinse your hair with water. 3. Apples. Apples are good for health, but they are also a great remedy for dandruff. Apple contains phenolase enzyme which removes the accumulation of dead skin cells from your scalp. Dead skin is responsible for clogging the roots of your hair and causing hair fall and dandruff formation. Make a juice of an apple and mix it with water. Apply this mixture on your scalp and let it stay for around 10 minutes. Following this, clean your scalp using a gentle shampoo. 4. Garlic. Garlic is yet another amazing remedy that can help you in getting rid of dandruff. Garlic contains a lot of antibiotic agents that destroy the bacteria responsible for the formation of dandruff. Make a good paste of garlic and apply it gently to your scalp. Let it stay for 30 minutes before washing your hair with a gentle aromatic shampoo. 5. Retha. Apply a mixture of Retha powder and water onto your scalp and leave it for about 2 hours. This can help you in getting rid of dandruff. 6. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are an excellent remedy that can get rid of dandruff for good. However, you should have some patience and follow the treatment for around a month. Leave the seeds of fenugreek in water for around 12 hours. This would make the seeds softer and easy to crush. Make a paste of these seeds and apply onto your scalp. Let it remain for 30 minutes before washing your hair with a nice shampoo. 7. Pepper and yogurt. Yogurt is a soothing agent that can make the skin on your scalp become smooth and less scaly. Pepper acts as an antifungal agent that inhibits the growth of dandruff-causing microbes. For making this remedy you need to mix 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and a cup of curd. Apply this mixture on your scalp and leave it for an hour. Once you rinse it off, you can wash your hair with your usual shampoo.